Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Easy Video Learning Series from DoMyAssignment.com. In our previous lesson we looked at multiplication of mixed numbers, and now we're just going to take that one step further and talk about division of mixed numbers. So let's have a look at an example. Say we're going to take 8 3/4 divided by 5 2/5. First step is the same as multiplication. We're going to convert these into improper fractions. And so we simply take 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3 is 35. Divided by 4, and we're going to divide that by 5 2/5. So we go 5 times 5 is 25, plus 2 is 27, divided by 5. And so here we have two fractions that we want to divide, two improper fractions that we want to divide. And really the only difference between multiplication and division is division requires one extra step to convert it into a multiplication type question. So instead of dividing by 27 over 5, we're going to actually replace this division symbol by a multiplication symbol. So this whole thing is going to be equal to 35 over 4. We're going to replace the division with a multiplication. And we're going to multiply it by the reciprocal of 27 over 5, which means simply we're just going to flip the fraction and multiply by 5 over 27. So now we have a multiplication question just like we did previously, and the way to multiply two fractions is to multiply out the numerators and multiply out the denominators. So 35 times 5 is going to be 175, and 4 times 27 is going to be 108. Okay, so now we have an improper fraction here. And we may want to convert that back into a mixed number. And just as I showed you previously, there's a number of ways you could do this. One way is to separate it out into two fractions of 108. And just simply pull out your calculator and type that in and see what you get. 175 divided by 108. And I get 1.6203 and so on and so forth. So I know the answer is going to be 1 and something, and that something is going to be a fraction, and it's going to be equal to the 0.6203 and so on. Now, we want to convert 1 into a fraction of 108. So the way to do that is simply take 1 multiplied by 108, you get 108. And so that means that 1 is the exact same thing as 108 divided by 108. Just like any other number divided by itself is also equal to 1. And so, but we know that we need 175 divided by 108. We already have 1, which is equal to 108 over 108. So how many do we need left over? Well, we just simply take 175 minus 108. And you get 67. And so you know the answer is going to be 1 and 67 108ths. And you could look and see if we could simplify this 67 over 108 anymore. The easiest way to do that is just pull your calculator and type in, using the fraction button like I showed you previously, 67 A, B, B over C, 108. And it will automatically reduce it for you. So if I hit that, it doesn't change the answer. I still have 67 over 108. So I know this is the answer in lowest terms. Okay, and that concludes another episode of the Easy Video Learning Series from DoMyAssignment.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.